Yo, gang. It's been a minute since I turned on this camera. You already saw that recap of the new year. And I still gotta do another video for that little post video I put on there. That was real quick. But today's one is a winter wonderland around here. I'm only taking flight from the back of my yard out of my house right here. You see that bad boy right there? See that bad boy right there? We're gonna take flight. We're gonna go up. You know, we're gonna see how it looks around here. So that said, I'm all on here. See everything on there. Here's what that says. You guys, excuse you looking at me. So we're gonna take flight.
Take off.
See it on the camera real good. So we're gonna take flight, we're gonna go up. So with that said, enjoy this video and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Comment at free will and stuff. Hold on, let me go over here. See, there's things you do when you out here. Yeah, I feel like I ain't been flying this in a minute, and I think when it updates, I'm gonna have to change the controller. But anyway, with that said, y'all guys gonna get some cool sightseeing of around the neighborhood, well, around the area, but up high, just real quick, nothing too big. Just me showing you guys how this winter storm looks around here in the town, and this the beat from this. Let me see something. I'm gonna turn the camera down so we can get a good look. See on here? You guys can see real good on there. See the neighborhoods? Hope you guys saw that real good. But anyway, as you probably can see in the back of my yard, no cold start. So I get to y'all guys with that video. You guys probably like, wait a minute. He ain't been posting with the car. I get to y'all. But I'm gonna have to get to this here because I only got a 30-minute flight. Or 30 seconds, or how you recall that, 30 minutes, but whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna just get to you guys soon. I'm gonna ain't gonna turn back on the camera because you guys gonna end up with the flight up there. But with that said, this is your boy Charge 17 3.0 coming at you guys with another video in the 2022 year. Happy New Year to everybody, you already know, So with that said, I'm out. Enjoy this flight because it's cold out here. I ain't lying, it's cold. Hope you guys like that little wide angle because I got that little, I got that cam with the little wide angle lens on it. Still got my Sony ZV-1 or ZR-1, whatever how you call it. Still got that. But with that said, I'm about to turn this camera off. You guys already know what to do. Hit that like, subscribe, comment at free will, because it's your boy Charge 17 again, 3.0, coming at you guys. Holla.